Python timer start and reset. I am attempting to get a timer functionality to work in Python 2.7 currently. Here is what I have so far. I am struggling with a threading issue and resetting the timer. Basically, my underscore callback can be called a lot of times very quickly and can hit any part of the if, elif, or else statements. The issue I am having is that when the something underscore true variable is true, then it will start a timer. Which works great the first time. Every time after that it is called, I get a threading error telling me that only one thread can be used for the timer. Basically, I want to be able to reset my timer on the first if and cancel if the elif or else is hit.
Based on my testing, this is because threads can only be started once, and as the timer relies on a thread, the timer can only be started once. This means that the only way to restart the timer would be to do. Instead of the t equals timer part and do. Instead of the current restart code. This makes your full code. Hope this helps.